Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Code with Arya and today I made a program. So this is a game. So this is a basketball game. So see. So first of all, the I've told you in the last video that the when run block is already present in the screen when you log into code.org, and then secondly, here are the boxes, and these blocks I have used to program my game. So first, set fast, set this the hand speed. So it's like I have set my hand speed fast, and the set the ball speed also fast. So then the second thing is set a character as a hand. So I've set a hand there here. So you may choose your color which you want to say, keep your hands color. So like I've set my hands color skin. So now see my hand is skin color. So secondly, the throw a new ball means here if you don't the throw a new ball block is not present in this workspace, so you have to go in the blocks options and then choose drag the throw a new ball and uh, dra- put it down uh, da- downwards of the set hand, and then play a bounce sound when the ball is thrown, so it touches something, so plays a bounce sound. Then events. So this events is already there. So first, when left arrow key is pressed, move left means the hand will move left like this. And then when right arrow key is pressed, move the hand to right. And then third, when the ball hits the wall, bounce a ball. Drag the bounce ball from the blocks to the workspace and leave it on the when the ball hits a wall. Then bounce a ball. Then make play a net swish sound. So you may choose your own sound. So I have set that net swish. So the next is when ball misses a hand. So these green blocks will be already there. So then ball misses a hand, score opponent a point. You have to give opponent a point. So the score opponent point block all will be here in this blue box. Just scroll a little. No need to scroll. Here is the score opponent point, and when the ball misses the hand, give a point to the opponent. And where this the first time we have set throw a new ball when below the set hand. So after the new ball is gone, we don't have any ball to play with. So this when the ball misses a hand means if we don't if the ball misses the hand and touches the wall, so the ball will disappear. So we don't have any ball to play with again. So here is a throw ball option. So just drag it here and keep means when see the I did I missed the ball. The ball will again spawn. So this is that. This is a throw a new ball again. And then yeah. So next, when the ball hits the hand. So when the ball um, hits the hand, bounce the ball. Like here, the ball is bouncing whenever it hits the hand. So the bouncer ball you will get in the block space. So last one, when the ball hits the goal. The goal is this net. So whenever you play a basketball, there is a net if in your front. So in real life, you have to just throw the ball into a net to score a point. So in this same things, and then score a point means you will score a point, not the opponent, and then throw a new ball means one time again when the ball will go in the net, you will get another ball to play with, and the player whistles out like this. Wait, uh, the opponent has scored a point. Mhm. Like this. I have scored a point because the ball touches the goal again. So this was my first basketball game, and the second is the bounce ball game. This is also the same programming done in this, like the basketball, set a speed, okay, and then win a point. This all, and then I will show you how to do. But in this, I have spawned thousand of balls whenever it touches the racket, and up you can see my score and the opponent's score. So this was my second game. You may also watch this video, learn from it, and make your own game with code.org. And then this is my I will see you in the next video with a new plan, with a new thinking. Till that, bye.